Isa sa mga paboritong mixer ko itong DJM A9 ng Pioneer DJ. Usually, yung mga bumibili nito are clubs or sound systems or bars, sabihin natin. And usually, DJs like you and me, we don't buy this kasi medyo may kamahalan siya. I think this comes in at around 150,000 pesos or maybe even more. So, salamat Alpha Theta Philippines for lending this, for making our content. Pero let me show you one of the things that I really like about this. Silip tayo dito sa taas, makita mo na dito sa selector natin, you have a variety of options. Meron kang Bluetooth na input, meron kang USB-A, USB-B if you're connecting your laptop, may digital, may line for connecting CDJs via the RCA outs, phono para sa turntables, return para sa return effects, pati meron pa nga siyang USB kung gusto mo gamitin itong USB na socket. So having all of those inputs means it can handle a wide variety of playback devices ranging from your usual CDJs, papunta sa turntables, pati kung meron kang synthesizer na gusto mo isaksak or even like a Bluetooth device, di ba? Tapos kung meron kang CDJ 3000s katulad nito na merong digital output, kita mo yan, digital out, you can actually use this to connect straight to the digital inputs. I have them here, 2 and 3. Tapos, pwede mo lang siya i-switch over onto digital dito sa taas. No need to use the RCA line inputs galing sa CDJs. In fact, you can connect these to something else, like I mentioned kanina, synthesizers, drum machines, kahit ano pa na line input, pwede mo gamitin dyan. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, for like DJs like you and me na, alam mo yun, tumutugtog lang naman tayo galing sa flash drive, the CDJs o kaya sa laptop natin. Hindi naman natin kailangan lahat ng mga inputs na yun. But if you own a sound system or you are in a club or a bar, na kailangan mo yung sari-saring mga input na yun, the DJM A9, I feel like, is one of the best mixers out there right now. Kamahalan siya, but then again, you have that multitude of options when it comes to the inputs that you're able to accommodate on this one mixer.